It's not new. It's actually existing since decades. I don't know, since 1960 or 70 already. It's called the Forex trading. Many people knows about Forex trading. Not so many people are operating in the Forex market. It's not easy. It has a lot of risks. It has a lot of benefits if you can do it good. So it's always, or you lose it or you win it. And exactly for this reason, so many people around the world doesn't touch the trading of Forex or crypto trading or Forex trading, whatever type of trading. And it's actually a little bit, you lose something because it's the biggest market in the world. There is no other market who moves so much money on a daily basis as the Forex market. And I was thinking, because it was also new for me 1.5 years ago. So I was thinking, if I have a good strategy, if I could have something what is really sustainable, what is very conservative. We don't want a crazy winning, and then losing all. Something stable, but proven stable. Not only because I tell it to you. Then it would be interesting, not only for myself, but I think we could have a product or a service for the masses. And this is what we was looking for 1.5 years ago. And in order to can operate in this trading world, you need a Forex broker. So that means you need an intermediary between you or us as clients and the real market, a door opener. It's the same as a bank, right? So you need somebody, it's called Forex broker. And the last year in March, I went to Dubai, and I was sitting down with the owner of 1.5 years ago, a small broker, a small Forex broker. And I will tell you now in the next 20 minutes a little bit what came out in this 1.5 years with this broker. And I was asking Mr. Nick Freihofer, it's the name, it's a German gentleman. It's the owner of the broker. I said, can we do something, you as broker, and maybe with a good strategy, can we do something to give it to the masses? Can we have something? And he said, yes, we can. We can design a business model. First of all, what is regulated? This is very important. The broker is 100% regulated. And then it should be so sustainable that there is always a risk, because I think there is no way, no business in the world where you can say there is zero risk, but we can have the risk so minimum that when people see it, they choose to join because they see the risk management is so perfect, and everybody can have, and it's never a promise. And I give you now also the next real advice. I am not a financial consultant. I am not giving you financial advices. I give you my personal experience from the last 1.5 years, my personal results from friends of mine who also started. So you need to know trading is also a risky business. It can also bring losses, definitely. Okay, so it's no guarantee for nobody. But this was clear for me also in the beginning. I understood it completely. But now 1.5 years later, or let's say 1 year later, we can show you what actually happened, how many losing trades was, how many winning trades. And now some people maybe will tell here in the group, yeah, but I am not a trader. Yeah, me too. I am not a trader. I cannot open trades and close trades. I have not the time, not the experience, not the knowledge. So I'm not a trader. So we need, yes to have a service where people can onboard with easy 2 or 3 clicks and participate in a so-called copy strategy. So that means there is one experienced trader. he is executing today, example, 1 or 2 trades, and your account is connected to this master account. And all the time, if the trader is doing a trade in the master account, your account, where you have your funds in, is copying 100% the trades, what the trader is doing automatically. You don't need to invest time on the computer. You don't need to have the knowledge. You only can connect and enjoy the profits, or if there are days with losses, obviously also the losses. Okay, so all what the trader is doing, you copy 100%. If this business model fits for you, and now when you see the results what we had in the last 12 months, then you need to decide for yourself if you want to participate or not. It's as easy, I tell it to you, okay? It's not because I tell you you must do it. No, it's your free will, it's your decision if you want to participate or not in this business model. I will share now my screen. So because one picture says more than 1,000 words, right? I wanted you to see all what we have. First of all, very important, this is the broker, okay? I write it here down, then you can, whenever you want, do your due diligence. It's called techmarkets.com. On the bottom of the homepage, you find the regulations, and you find the insurance, what the broker did, a deal with an insurance company to protect the funds. So you can check all on the official homepage. Once you are in, you signed up, it's very easy. It's done in less than a minute. You only need to upload a document. So you need to do the KYC. That's all, a document and a selfie. And then you are already connected with the broker. The only thing what you need to do is to make a deposit. Why? Because you want and you decide that the money should work for you. And I did the same question to myself. I had $5,000 in my Trust wallet or MetaMask, whatever, okay, or Binance, wherever you have your money. So I was thinking, if I have the money there as a storage, it's good. It's 5,000 in 10 years will be 5,000, okay, if nothing changed in the industry, but it will remain the same. It's not growing, it's not decreasing. But this is actually not the goal of our money, right? I think the real rich people in the world, they are doing a very conservative year by year interest rates, maybe 0.5% a month, maybe 1% a month, maybe a small amount, but this in many, many years later, with the compounding effect, this really can become a fortune for everybody who understands the concept of becoming rich. Now, this was my opinion. And I said, okay, I will not put 5,000. Let me start with 1,000. So that's another golden rule in trading. Never put more that you are willing to lose in worst case scenario, okay? So the way how you can deposit on your private wallet is the crypto way, Visa, MasterCard, bank wire. Let's go the crypto way example. I only jump it now a little bit fast because you can do it later on easier and slow, okay? But it's actually very easy. It's the same as to deposit money in your crypto wallet. It's actually the same. You choose the cryptocurrency, example USDT, USDC, wherever you are in the world, Binance Smart Chain, you have the QR code, or you have your wallet here, you send it, and a minute later you have your money on your personal account, what you recently opened inside the Forex broker called Tech Markets. Then you go to the left menu on the bottom, it says copy X, okay? This is the only two fields what we actually use. The first one is the dashboard, here where you can deposit the money and withdraw the money. And the last one is called the copy X. I click now on it, where you can see the different copy strategies, what traders have public inside the broker. There are many of them, actually 62 strategies. We are choosing since 1 year now the Sonic strategy. Let me go in, let me go to details, and here you see why we choose Sonic. First of all, we have now inside tech markets, 428,000 followers. So that's actually a huge number of people who are following and trusting the Sonic strategy. Some of them since day one, some of them since 8 months, 10 months, 6 months, 5 months, some of them since 5 days, whatever, okay? But the fact is that there are 428,000 people connected, 221 trading days. There is a performance fee of 30%. I will give you now an interesting detail about the performance fee, and the minimum of deposit in order to can connect is $10. So this was also good for me because I have many friends in countries where maybe the economy is not so good and they cannot start with 1,000. So if there would only 1,000 and up, then I have again an issue. I can have another product for the masses, right? I want that everybody with low, middle, or a lot of money can participate, because even if you start with $10, if you see that it's working, you always can top up your deposit and go to $20, $50, $100. You are totally free to decide whenever you want. And now how to connect to Sonic? It's easy. There is a button, connect. Okay, you click the connect button. You put in again the amount what you want to connect. You accept terms and conditions. You click the button, copy now, and voila. Welcome to Sonic, the copy strategy #1 in the entire Forex trading market in the history of copy strategies. So that means something. So I think if 428,000 people already are in, for some reason they are in, right? Because I realized that I was talking to some very skeptical people, and they said, yeah, I need to analyze. Okay, I said analyze. Do your due diligence, because it's your right to do it. Do it. But in fact, after several days, everybody came back and said to me, Christian, Sonic is crazy good. Why? Because there exists a register of most of the trading strategies in the world. So that means a trader can put online his strategy, and it will be recorded. It will be a historical database how the strategy of whatever trader in the world was working in the last days, weeks, months, or years. Depends how long, or the day when you signed up, in order to put your strategy on this historical chart. Now let's see what happened with Sonic. Let's only see numbers, because I think the best what you can see today or tonight are numbers. First of all, Sonic has a monthly profit of 1.15%. This is the average. And the average since when? Let's check. Here we can see it started 2024 in November. It did 1.12, December 1.17. All the 2025, there was not even one losing week, not even. Without talking about months, you can see the numbers here. Look, 2026, it started the first 2 months a little bit lower because there was up and downs with the gold market, okay? So Sonic is doing gold against the pair with US dollar. So, but April, May, June, July, already again over 1%, because the goal of the trader is to do a conservative, stable, long run 1% a month profit. And I think he proved it since November 2024. We are now almost 2 years with Sonic, and the results are really mind-blowing. Why? Because also the drawdown, this is for people who have a little bit of experience. The highest drawdown, what they did was 0.86. And it's actually very low. This is actually the risk management. So as lower the drawdown, as safer is the strategy on a long-term run for everybody. So you can go now, you personally, to my FX book, send this link to people who knows about trading. Maybe you have some friends who are experts in trading. Show them the strategy of Sonic and tell them if they can give you an advice if this is a safe strategy or if it's not a safe strategy. If they tell you, hey, this is a very safe strategy, then you should immediately go back to the broker, deposit some funds, click the connect button, and let the money work for you. But now some people will tell, yeah, Christian, but 1% is nice. Okay, so no doubts, but it's a little bit low. What we can do that the 1% looks a little bit better. And it's actually, look what happened. If you put in $1,000 and the average is 1%, okay, that means you would have a monthly base $10 profit a month, right? But here kicks in now a very important point. In the moment when you click the button, copy now, the broker, together with the liquidity provider, they have deals, they give you a 24x additional leverage on your 1,000. So that means in your trading account, you have now 24,000. So if you don't understand, yeah, why they should give me additional leverage, ladies and gentlemen, don't worry. There are higher leverage in the broker market, so this is nothing new. Okay, also your trading friends can confirm it to you. This is something what can give you a leverage based on your initial capital. The liquidity provider and tag markets gives you the 24x on top, but the trader is doing the same trade, okay, only based on a higher balance in the trading balance, a higher amount in the trading balance. Now the outcome is not anymore $10, but it's $240, right? So that means you did, based on your 1,000 initial capital, you did in this month a 20, actually not this month, every single month, okay? Minus in January and February, but a little bit lower. But then normally every single month, we are on an average of 20% profit per month based on your initial capital. So, ladies and gentlemen, this, if it sounds interesting for you, I would not doubt. This is my personal professional experience now. I would not doubt and I would try it. Maybe try with $1,000. Okay, this would be around $200 a month profit based on your 1,000 initial capital. Of course, if your people put in 100K, they of course have 20K a month profit. If you put in a million, the average is 200K profit a month, okay? It depends on how much you put in. If you put in $100, it's the average always the same, $20 a month profit, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what happened now. There are many things more to tell about this, but there is now two ways how you can participate that you can earn money. The first one is you connect your personal capital to Sonic and you make, depends on the trading days, profits out of Sonic. You can withdraw the profits every single day, okay? And the second way how you can make income is if you are here, you signed up today because somebody invited you, you can do now the same. You can share the opportunity. You can give them the Sonic strategy. They can do their own due diligence, and they can also deposit some funds in their personal account, and they can share it to others. So that means the network is growing. Why? Because Sonic is working. And now every time if somebody in your network is making profits on a daily basis, you earn up to 25% of all the profits what your entire team is earning on a daily basis. That means if he connects to Sonic, he makes profits, you make profit. The broker pays you commissions because you brought volume to the broker. So it's very easy that you can make additional passive residual income because the people in your team are the same happy every day as you are, because Sonic is making them profit on the real market in the A book of the broker. So this is the first income. And the broker pays this commission every week, every Saturday. They pay the commissions. We have a second commission that is called the lot commission, $8.5 lot commission, what the broker pays to us. I don't go in detail today about this. Also, this is paid to the network back to us, and we share it in the community, the lot commission. So it's actually a very easy way how you can first have direct income because you have some funds in Sonic. And the second way, if you want to share the opportunity, then you can bring in new people. They make the KYC with the broker. They sign up with the broker. They agree terms and conditions with the broker. They deposit some funds. They connect to Sonic. Anytime if they make profits, you automatically earn up to 25% of the profits of your team members. And that's actually an amazing way how to grow, how to make business today. I will show you now only for 1 minute, okay? Some interesting facts. Here you can see the owner of the broker. He is Niklas Freihofer. He's the CEO and founder of Tech Markets. We have now in Tech Markets not only the Forex broker business, we have also our own crypto exchange. So this is the second service, what you can have benefits out of it. He has the regulations in El Salvador, the DASP and the MSB license in Canada. So it's a regulated crypto exchange. The same story. If there are gas fees in your team, you earn commissions because the owner of the broker, the owner of the crypto exchange is also Tech Markets. Then we have an amazing virtual and physical debit crypto card. So that means everybody can sign up for the card. They cost $10, $9.90. Okay. If somebody in your team is buying the card, the 50% goes to the broker, 50% is shared to the network. So you make money if people are buying the card. And if people are using the card in any online store, in a restaurant, in a gasoline station, in a supermarket, and they use the card, there are always fees in any card transaction. You earn money because people are using the card. So we are not only Forex trading, we are also crypto and crypto trading, and we are a crypto debit, virtual and physical card. So we have a very nice ecosystem here now in Tech Market. So ladies and gentlemen, actually this is all from my side today. I know there are many other things that I could tell you. I could show you now some income stories, what people already earn after 1 year in the business. I think it's a little bit too much because if there are some new people here, they say, oh no, this is not possible. I know for the normal traditional income world, let's say employed people, what is 98% of the population earning more than $10,000 a month? It's already amazing, right? It's unbelievable. But what I saw in the last couple of months, people was joining. They was happy. They brought people who brought people, and the people was funding their accounts. They take out the profit every day. The commissions going up. People were starting to earn so amazing amounts of residual income. And I am sure if you are looking for an opportunity where you can from now, we are now in almost end of August, September, October, November, December, in the next 4 months, create something what gives you the freedom to starting next year, be independent, have a work from home job, because this is what we do. You can do from wherever you want. You can work with your computer, you can work with your cell phone, you can be on the beach drinking a pina colada and making the business. You can be on the mountain, you can be on a lake, you can be on a ski resort, wherever you are. This business has no limitations. The only limits what you have in your life is if you are employed and then they give you limits. They give you a value. They tell you you are worth $3,000 a month, and this is your value. So I resigned to this many years ago. I said I will be my own boss. I will be decide where to work, when to work, how much I want to earn. It's only always the question. You need to have the right vehicle in order to fulfill all your dreams. And with tech markets, with AI tech, what is the name of our community, we have endless opportunities. The world is so big. There are 8 or 9 billion people on the world. Most of them are looking at real and serious, transparent, legitimate, and sustainable. Everybody's looking for this. Everybody's looking for a business concept, what is real and bringing serious results to the people. Now we have it. So don't tell tomorrow you never had the chance to change your financial future. Don't tell it, because you have an opportunity now. Now, another point is, if you are not interested, that's good. It's fine. But if you something, what you saw tonight, makes sense for you, so I advise you, dig deeper. Check if this is true, what I was telling you. Check if Sonic is real, like what I told you. Check if this is possible that a broker can pay your commission. Check it. Once you have the right answers, okay, from people who knows, please don't ask people who have no idea. Don't ask. Maybe the first thing what we do normally is your neighbor, your father, and your best friend. They sometimes say, oh no, I hear this is all bullshit, this is a scam. Okay, this is maybe their opinion. You need only go to facts. Is Sonic real? Is the broker real? If is trading real? If these 3 main points are real, then it's, for my personal opinion, already a green flag. Okay, so make your due diligence. Call the person now who invited you tonight, or today, or this morning, wherever you are in the world, to this Zoom. Ask for the last questions what you have, and then let's start, let's build, and let's really have the next 4 months 18 hours work a day. But I am sure this will change completely your financial future. Thank you very much. Arigato. I hope to see you very soon in one of the nicest beaches in the world. Bye-bye. Good rest. Good day after rest of the day, or good night if you are in this time zone where I am in Japan.